Welcome back, guys. It's still pretty dark out here, but it should be in legal shooting light in about 3 minutes, and they're starting to fly right now, so a couple more minutes and we'll shoot. A couple more. Yeah, let's try it out, see what kind of magic I have. Got my dad over here scanning hard, and got my brother-in-law right here. Let's wake up some ducks. Oh, it's working. I told you I'm good. Just kidding, I don't know what I'm doing. Right there, in front of us. Wait, too far. Oh, they're landing by the decoy. Right here, he's swinging around above us. Right above us, to your left. Right there. No good. Right there, Chino. Come on, get ready. Damn, I woke these things up. I didn't think I knew out of what I was doing. Coming right at us. Take him. Oh, you got one. Good shot. Who got that one? Dad? Sorry, I couldn't get that one on camera for you guys. But good job, Dad. You got one. That looks like a big one, so it looks. I think it might be a wood. Yeah, this is. We are in Monday, so 3 days or 2 days after the opener. So they're not flying anymore compared to the first day. But this lake isn't as crazy as the other lake. But we just want to get these guys into some action. This, I believe it's his first time, and this is my dad's second time. We came out the first day, but it was horrible. It was raining, so our plans got all messed up. We didn't see it in the forecast, so. Right there. Nope, too far. Yep, it's too far. We didn't see the rain in the forecast. Our plans got totally messed up. We didn't bring any rain gear at all. Coming up out of nowhere. It's too quick. So it's a little calm today too. There's no wind at all, so not a lot of flying. Oh, come on, Chino, hurry up. Got it? One more, Chino.
No, don't show anymore.
He's done.
No.
You got it? One more, Chino.
No, don't show anymore.
He's done. He's done. Yep, he's right there to the left of the decoy. They're coming in for decoy, so. All right, he's done. Man, the first one my dad dropped, he swam away. All of a sudden, he just got up. Yeah, hopefully it's just sitting over there. You can go look for it. That one's down for sure. All right, sit, guys, sit. Lay low. Came out this morning, it's pretty chilly. It was about, what, 40 degrees? But it's starting to warm up a little. Out here with some sweaters, winter beanies. Sun starting to rise right behind me. Got a nice fog coming out of the water. Okay, hold on. To your right, Dad. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Wait, it's coming this way. Dad, wait.
Wait.
Okay. Now. Good shot. Good shot. He got that second one. Yeah, one drop to the left.
I got that one.
Good.
Shit.
Bông ok tao. Bông tận đây sao?
Nó tức tiền nó cũng tuột cao một chút cho. Gì lắm đa nè.
Actually, to dog.
On nó nè.
Where?
Up there.
Dog, sir.
Giờ chuyện luôn lên nó rất tuột cho. Luôn trong rồi tôi sẽ còn trốn được luôn.
Yep, something this.
Bây giờ toàn những cái sâu chứ tôi cho.
They're like that small. They're pretty high.
Tôi dùng cửa cho chị cho ha.
Young shot is shot though, sir. Company trying that. Trying to be no, huh? I'll do more action, don't close. Sure, too. Not me, I'm starting to get cold. Giờ cho phụ cho thiêu mình ai chút chống là giang ít bao
của giang cần cầu rồi nói tôi nó mong nó nhấp ra chỗ này
hả
mong nó nhấp ra chỗ
nhông sao mày à chỉ giang này cho nó nè
nó cái trả để chế phí nó trên trang được bán ra không một chế phí một chế
okay